Carry his face.
Turn your flashlight on.
You're not listening. He's got to.
Okay, but turn your flashlight on.
Decided to commit himself to a lifetime of forgiveness. And that meant he had to go back to Japan to see the prison guards who'd tried so hard to destroy him.
The most important thing in my Christian life was to know that I not only
Remember, I'm making a video. Watch your language.
but to see him face to face and tell him that I forgave him.
Now watch.
That was more than
Carry him down.
What is that?
and our story would
What is that?
were
It's a piece of paper.
unbroken.
This is the English version.
Here's Louis. He became a celebrity all over again. Readers
We're probably putting him in shock.
had no way to hear him. It was his life. When you finished reading that book, what did you think?
See him breathing.
And I had to stop and look out the window to make sure I wasn't behind the
Did you ever imagine it would be a bestseller?
I think you should try to get it outside.
Look at his eyeball.
That's what Mom can't see it.
Lauren Hillenbrand. Her last book was
Mom said to put it on a piece of cardboard outside.
Unbroken.
Turn the light out in the dock.